Assalamualaikum. So today we continue with continuity. This is the last subtopic in chapter 1. So what is the definition for continuity? A function f(x) is said to be continuous at x equals to x equals to a if all three of the following conditions are met. So you have three conditions. This is for number 1. Okay, fa is defined. What is defined? Defined is fa is equals to a real number. So first we substitute x with a. And then for condition number 2, limit f(x) approaches to a exists. What is the meaning of exists? So you have to check the condition from left hand side to the right hand side of a. So you must check must be equal. If there is no equal, so meaning tak sama, so limit f(x) will be not equal to limit f(x) from right hand side and left hand side, so there is no exist. Okay, for third condition, you must equal condition number 1 to condition number 2. So f(x) equals to limit f(x) approaches to a. So okay, kalau you check condition first, you check condition number 1, it is defined. Okay, and then you check condition number 2, and then tak exist, so you terus stop, tak payah nak proceed. So terus kita decide dia bukan continuous. Okay. Okay, we go for example 1. Okay, you have hx, 3 function. So first determine whether hx is continuous at x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, you have these two conditions because it melibatkan x 0. So kedua-dua function ada 0. Cuma yang mana kita nak guna, nanti kita decide. So we go for condition number 1, h0. So meaning x equals to 0. So yang mana kita nak guna? These two function, this one or this one. Yang mana kita nak guna? So look at the inequality. Here you got less than. This one is bigger or equal. So you ada equal di sini. So kita guna yang ada equal. So meaning 2x0. Sorry, 2x square. So 2 0 square 0. So selagi ada nilai, so hx is defined. So ayat ni tulis ya. Okay, condition number 2. Kena tengok limit. So limit x approaches to 0 from left hand side. hx, okay, left hand side. So kita kena tengok yang mana. So for limit, this is 0. So left hand side, you kena cari yang belah kiri. So di sini. So meaning dia kena less than 0. So less than 0, the upper function x. So gantikan, sorry, kena ada limit. So limit x approaches to 0 from left is x. So substitute 0. Okay, then limit x approaches to 0 from right hand side. So hx dulu, and then limit x approaches to 0. So from left hand side, this area, yang belah kanan. So yang mana you nak pilih? So function yang lagi satu lah. And then ganti masuk 2, 0. So 0, and then you check limit x 0 hx is equal to limit x approaches to 0 from right hx, which is equals to 0, 0, 0 and 0. So the answer is 0. So our conclusion is, okay, so limit x approaches to 0 hx is exists. Okay, for number 3, condition number 3, you just samakan h0 is limit x approaches to 0 hx. So h0 is 0, limit x approaches to 0 is 0. So it is equal, so baru kita decide yang besar. So kita buat lah ni. So hx is continuous at x equals to 0. So dia mesti melibatkan 3 condition dan tiga-tiga kena memenuhi ketiga-tiga itu. Okay, finish for number 1. Next, find the value of k. So this k such that hx is continuous at x equals to 2. Okay, so kalau continuous, you kena check condition. So first h x2 is, okay, yang mana satu? Kalau melibatkan 2, so dia ada 2 function, this one and this one. So equals ada di sini, so 2x2 square equals to 8. Okay, so h2 is defined. Condition number 2. Limit x approaches to 2 from left hand side, so hx. So kita tahu functionnya. So limit x approaches to 2. So which one from left? So less than, you kena guna 2x2 equals to 8. Okay, and then limit x approaches to positive hx. So if you gantikan limit x approaches to 2 from positive, so this area. So 2x negative 2x plus k. So you don't know the value of k, but you have to remember this one is continuous. So apa maksud continuous? Meaning limit is exists. So if it is exists, so limit x approaches to 2hx is exists. So maksudnya yang belah kiri mesti sama dengan belah kanan. So this one A must be equals to this one. So you samakan dia, negative 2x plus k equal to 8. So negative 2x is 2 plus k equal to 8. This one is negative 4 minus 8 equals to k. So conclusion di sini is k is equals to negative 12. So dapat value of k. So biasanya untuk cari value something value, so you kena guna condition number 2. Okay, we go for next question. Okay, function f(x) is here. Okay, find limit x approaches to infinity. So di sini ada 2 and 4. So kita ada number line 2 and 4. So infinity duduk di mana? Di sini. Positive infinity. So kita kena guna function yang paling bawah. Dia lebih besar daripada 4. So just gantikan A limit x approaches to infinity f(x). So limit x approaches to infinity. So functionnya ialah 12 over x minus 2, which is 12 over x is infinity minus 2. So 12 over infinity, remember, is nombor besar. So nombor besar tolak 2 still besar. So infinity something over infinity is 0. Okay, so for B and C you boleh buat sendiri. Okay, thank you.